Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to add a gradient effect on your text and then make your text is overlapping one each other. So the way how to do it, first open your Canva application and then make a new project, and then after that click the apps button here and wait for a moment. You need to type these apps, type gradient, then click search. Wait for a moment, and after that open the apps. And after you open the apps, you will see that there's a few options to adjust the gradient, the type of the gradient, and the text. Now we need to change the text. For example, I would like to type, I think I will type a tongue, this text. And then for the font, you can change it to, for example, I will try to use this Archivo, then go back. And for the result, you can see on this screen when you're using font. And after that, for the gradient type, I think I will just use this linear gradient. And for the color, I will change the color onto red color for the first gradient, and the second I will change it onto maroon, this one. And for the last part, I will change it onto, wait for a moment, I think I will change it onto this, this color. And after you finish doing it, you can see that we can adjust the size of the the position of the gradient like this. And after you finish doing it, click add to design, this one, add to design, and this is the result of the gradient effect on your text. And after you finish doing it, now you need to download this design. Click download and check the transparent background, this one, and increase the size of the pixel. Click download, then wait for a moment, the design is still downloading. And after you finish downloading it, open a new page and then add the design that you are saved before. Okay, add it to the page like this. Wait for a moment, let me adjust the size of the frame. Okay, after you finish doing it, now adjust the size of the design like this. Now we need to cut the design until it gives you a result for a one letter like this. Cut it and duplicate it, and then adjust the size. Do it one by one for each letter like this. Okay, duplicate it one more time, and the last part is the T, this one. And after you finish doing it, now we need to change the color of the background. I will try to add a black color, and click the letter one by one, and then adding the effect of shadow effect, and then click drop, this one, and then increase the blur amount, then adjust the angle like this. And for the distance, let it on 50, and for the intensity, increase it to 100 like that. Do on each letter. After you finish doing it, position and then click forward like that. And for the O, I will try to do the same. Okay, this one, make sure that you overlapping of every letter on your design like this. And after you finish doing it, now this is the result. Your text have a gradient effect and an overlapping effect on each letter. That's the way how to do it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.